What's up everyone? Today we're gonna unbox an MRE. So let's do it. Wow, this is nice. Accessory pack. Main food. Accessory pack with a heating element. Heating stove. Crackers. The nuts. So let's open everything up. This is a sweet beef with groats and sauce. Heating element. Dry fill. A spoon. Little zip tie. Lemon vibes. And matches. So this is nuts, crackers. Let's open this one. This is instant drink. This is sugar. And this is coffee. This is chocolate. And honey. This is the stove. Looks like this. And let's fold it. So these bend down, and these long ones bend up. Okay, perfect. Let's heat up everything and try it. So this takes approximately 10 to 12 minutes. You have to put water, not more than to this line. So let's put our food in. Food in first. And let's heat this up, okay? We will put water in. It's really hot. I think let's make a orange flavored instant drink with vitamin C. Let's pour this in. Nice bright orange color. Let's stir it with our spoon. Perfect. So I won't try honey for now. This is dry fill. If you want to heat up like water and something for coffee, disinfecting wipes. I think let's try the chocolate first, okay? Nice two pieces, dark chocolate. It tastes really good. Drink is also very good. Nice. Let's try crackers. Smells okay. Really hard. Really hard. Tastes okay. Nuts, sugar, and coffee. I think let's try nuts now. Well, tastes like nuts. So in the meantime, let's make a coffee. Smells like coffee. That's the coffee. Let's add the sugar. Stir it. And let's taste it. Really hot. It tastes like cheap coffee. The main food is done. Let's take it out. It's hot. It's really, really hot. Push it on one side and let's open it. Looks like cat food. Let's try it. Tastes like cat food. It's not good. Honestly, this is crap. This is not good. So, these are matches. Regular matches. Honey. Yeah, honey. Matches. Chocolate. Very, very good quality chocolate. Crackers. Really hard crackers. Dry fill. So you can heat up water for coffee. Nuts, tastes like nuts. Energy drink, it's good. Main food, crap and coffee, it's alright.